Hello friends! It is finally time for another renovation video. Where we left off last time, which was a long time ago, my apologies, we focused on the outside, we had the plasterer over, and now we are going to finish the kitchen makeover that we did in the summer of 2024. So I have some catching up to do. Hello friends! I saw an email saying that our new seat, fauteuil in Dutch, I think armchair is the right word, but it's like a round, almost a two-seater, kind of like a love seat, but round, is ready to be delivered. And I'm super excited because my boyfriend is on holiday right now. He does his yearly surf holiday with his friends to France, and he is coming back probably on the weekend. And I could get the chair delivered on Friday. So that means that it will be here when he gets home. And I'm so excited to see it because we picked the chair, but it was kind of, I think it was kind of white or beige in the showroom, and we picked the fabric separately, and that is super, super bright turquoise. So we have never seen this chair in this bright turquoise velvet. And first of all, I'm so excited to see it be delivered tomorrow. And then also, I'm so excited for my boyfriend to see it when he gets home. But the last step for the kitchen makeover next to this chair arriving, which was planned to arrive in the middle of November. This is, Mickey's looking adorable, by the way. I think he likes looking outside while he's on me. But this here behind me, this tile still needs to be grouted, which we were gonna do together. We have the grout, we have the tools, not really literally the tools, but like the ingredients. I have never done this. My boyfriend is away. I think as a surprise, I'm gonna do it so that it's ready for when the chair comes, and then the whole thing will be done. But I'm also scared, so I've been putting it off all day. Also because I had a headache and I wanted to take it easy, and I was waiting for the service people. Whatever, we're gonna try and grout this tile. It's not very big. I will need to move the shelves over, I think, because I need to access the side and get the grout in. Wish me luck. Let's go. This is scary, 'cause I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. And now, put it in or something. I don't know.
Close to violet on a Sunday.
I have never seen tiles this uneven. But that does not matter, 'cause it's our first time. We are learning.
Long for what's to come. Keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone.
Full of post-its in the ceiling, things I like to follow through, but I hold on. A visionary, sunlight shows an empty room.
Long for what's to come. Keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone.
I just finished putting the stuff on in about 30 minutes, so I think I should be almost doing the next step on the side part. I have a little bit left over, so I used a lot less than I thought. Next step is something to do with the sponge and water. It's called inwassen in Dutch. From what I've seen, it's something to do with a very rinsed out sponge, and then once this looks a little bit dry, you remove most of it, like you make it smooth again or something. But it looks like it is already drying, and you shouldn't wait too long with it, because then you cannot get it smooth again. So we're just gonna go for it. The tile woman who did our bathroom did warn me that even just one drop too much on your sponge can ruin the wall, like can have it melting out again. So I really tried to get it dry. And I think it's about these parts making them smooth. Something like that. I don't know. I definitely see the grout becoming smoother in these lines. I'll try and get a good close-up for you. And once there is something on the sponge, it doesn't work as well, so you need to have clean sponge corners. I feel like this is just making it smooth and nice, like the most important step. So it's going pretty well, actually, compared to what I expected. We literally left this job for months. We did this in August, I think, the main parts, because I was too scared to do it. And I don't know if my boyfriend also was scared or if he was just too busy. It's not so scary. Plus, it doesn't really matter because this doesn't have to be waterproof. So, rinsing and repeating. Perfect. Let's do the rest.
Dry in the sun, wave in the wind, drifting along again. Squinting my eyes.
I think I'm supposed to clean it one more time with a sponge and clean water, and then we wait.
Feeling around for anything.
It's getting dark now, so it's time to clean up the mess, especially on the floor, all the fallen bits.
Tune of the angels on a fiddle string.
And then tomorrow, the chair is coming. I can't wait to see and show you.
The next morning.
Good morning. It's really early. Well, it's not really early. I just woke up. That's the difference. And I just got a call from the delivery people that our chair is almost here. He said 15 minutes, which was on the phone like 5 or 7 minutes ago. So I'm trying to set up cameras so I can capture it for you, as well as help them get it inside because it's pretty big. I don't know how it's going to fit through the door. And I just got a message, my boyfriend is coming home tonight already. So I need to water the plants, make the house nice, all the things, next to fixing the tile, which is looking really nice, by the way. I'm impressed with myself. It makes it a lot more calm, the grout, because it's not so dark in between, so the pattern is less obvious. I'm super, super excited to see how it goes with the chair, but mostly I'm so excited to see this fabric on this chair. I feel a little bit crazy for picking such a bright turquoise because we've never seen it like together. We know the chair is amazing, but the fabric, oh, I'm so scared. Also, is the size of the chair gonna fit in our kitchen in front of the heater? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, but only like 7 minutes, so let's go!
5 minutes later.
It's here!
Touch of the hand will show me the way.
Yeah, super fast. I'm the boy! Wow!
Creeps inside. I rest my chin.
It's so beautiful! Did you see?
Watch as the dance begins. Right out the darkness on a fiddle string.
Eight hours later.
My boyfriend just got home. He's about to come inside. I'm so excited to see his face. Lights on. Camera, action.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wat? Wat een ruimte hier. Heb je dit stiekem gefilmd?
Kijk ervan.
Maxer, heb jij er al op gezeten? Ken mij nog? Waar heb je die stoelen dan gelaten?
Staan in de tuin.
Ah!
The next morning.
What's happening over there, Maggie? What happened to your favorite chair? We were moving the chairs out, and Maggie loved these chairs during the renovation. She loved scratching them, which was allowed because they were secondhand old ones. So, goodbye. The old chairs are moving out.
Several days later.
Then Maggie came to investigate because we moved the new chair outside to spray it with a protective layer.
3 days later.
We went to a local shop to buy a new mirror, and my boyfriend just hung it. Look at this. Beautiful. We wanted a round mirror to match all the other round items here, and they just had one with a black edge, which does...
That is not a round item.
It's a temporary situation. It's a black edge, which I don't like that much, but it does match the cabinet here and the kitchen handle thingies. So,
We can always paint it.
oh, we can always paint it in turquoise, baby.
Gold.
But I'm very happy. It's one of the last finishing touches for the kitchen, except for one little thingy over there. And then this whole makeover is complete. Can you believe it? Such a comfy seat. Beautiful, everything. I am really happy with how it's going, how it's almost finished.
Beautiful coffee corner.
Beautiful coffee corner. My boyfriend is obsessed with making coffees now. This is his new hobby. I decided to include the footage of what the kitchen looked like before all of this. This was August 2024. And this is it now. What a difference, just even in the ceiling, but the wallpaper, the tile, the chair. The chair is so beautiful. I'm so glad we went with a brighter color. It is absolutely perfect. This is the view towards the back door. Look at the ceiling. It was so messy before, and now we have all the beautiful lights built in. The garden also looks so much better. Here's a close-up of the ceiling, how it used to look. Look at the pipes and the paint. It was so bad. And now it's all clean and light. And it makes a huge difference for the feeling of this space. With the dark ceiling, it felt really small, and now it's the opposite. The ceiling is light, so it feels more spacious, and then the wallpaper in the back there makes it feel like you're looking into the mountains, so that the space is even more big than it actually is. I love the look. And then this front view of the mantle is a huge difference as well. The old chairs and the ceiling. This is the new look with the tile that I did and the new chair, which is so pretty. The side view towards the kitchen and where the stairs are behind that door looked like this. Oh, check out the mirror on the mantle. Very old. And now it looks like this. And that mirror actually went to my mum's house, so it didn't get thrown away. A close-up moment for my tile work, which I'm very proud of, and my little embroidery shelf. This is my boyfriend's coffee station with his beautiful coffee cups from Piece of Clay. And then I also love this corner with my huge plant, my Anthurium pallidiflorum, and the beautiful wallpaper and the paints in the corner there, which will be in a future video. This last bit is a view of the kitchen now. That hasn't changed much, but it's still nice to see. And then outside, Maggie was checking me out. Isn't she so adorable and fluffy? She's losing so much hair right now in spring. And that's it for this renovation video. Let me know in the comments what you think of our choices. I know many people loved the dark green ceiling that we had before, so I'm very curious to hear what you think of our new choices. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.